guys, it's Beats by Zai and I'm back with another weekly video. As you all know, it's officially prom season, so you know I had to create this dramatic, bold glitter cut crease look. So definitely stick around and watch if you're interested to see how this look was created. This time around, I'm starting off my eyeshadow look by concentrating a dark purple eyeshadow in the crease first. So usually I would start off with my transition color, but this time I am concentrating the eyeshadow in the crease first because I'm really going for that intensity. I want the cut crease to be really defined, really bold, really dramatic. So I decided to basically pack the color on in her crease area, and I'm just following the natural shape of a crease, ensuring to just pack it on. Once I'm satisfied with the shape that I've created, I'm just going to go over that shape with more of that same color because, as I said, I really want it to be intense. So I'm really concentrating more of that dark purple eyeshadow in the crease area. Next, I'm moving in with my transition color. Yes, right now I'm applying my transition color and I'm using a pink eyeshadow as well from Juvia's, and I'm just ensuring that it's all blended out evenly. Shade of purple, and that purple basically is going to ensure that the transition between the pink and the purple is more seamless. So I'm basically packing that lighter purple eyeshadow just above the crease, and then I'll go in with my pink transition color to diffuse it and to ensure that you can still see that pink. So again, if you need to go back in with your transition color, definitely use a transition color. And as I said, because I want to ensure that it's intense and I want to maintain the intensity, I did go back in with the same dark purple to pack back in some more of that dark eyeshadow color. Next, I'm using a concealer, and I'm using a concealer to carve a line or a curve following her crease. So I'm still following her natural shape of the crease, and once I'm satisfied with how I cut the crease, I'll go in and use more concealer to pack on the eyelids. I'm going in with a silver eyeshadow and I'm packing that on as well. And once that's done, I'll use a glitter sealant to ensure that the glitter stays on the eyelids and, you know, doesn't fall off on the face. So I'm just packing the glitter on, and you'll realize when I get closer to the eyes, I'll zoom in, you'll see that I'm really not packing the glitter as close up to her crease. As you can see, I have a bit of space in between, and that's because I wanted to leave room to draw this white liner. I have everything listed in the description box, so please read the products listed to see what I used. Then before I go in with my foundation, I'm using a liquid highlighter, and then I'll foundation done. So I use the Makeup Revolution concealer to contour, and one thing I realized about this concealer is that it's very matte and it dries in pretty quickly. So once you put it down, be prepared to blend it out right away, because if you don't, then it will be much more difficult to blend out because it would dry into the skin. So be mindful about this concealer. It dries in pretty quickly, so always ensure that once you put it down, you blend it out right away. So I use a damp beauty blender to highlight the main points of her face, and I use that same beauty blender to add her setting powder. I'm using a blush to contour her cheekbones, and then on the forehead I'm actually using a bronzer to contour. Once I'm done doing that, I'll set, no, I don't set the face, I see yet. Once I'm done with that, I dust off everything, set the face, and then there you go, you have the finished look, guys. This is prom season, slay season, yes. So drop your comments down below. Let me know if you would recommend this look for prom, or if you know someone who would slay this look for prom. I just wanted to do something that was edgy and extra. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you know someone who can benefit from the Beats by Zai Beauty Prom Scholarship, please don't hesitate, let them know, share the posters to someone who is in need and definitely benefit from this cause. Bye, guys.